So after taking down AI, we again come back to the most popular topic on YouTube nowadays, coronavirus. But as you all know, our channel always delivers the unique ones. So what's unique in this? Well, as we know, everyone is just a media nowadays. Everyone wants to share each and every information they have to counter the virus. So God saves us from them. But on our channel, we always tries to check every topic that whether it is right or just a rumor before we take it to you. And after spending a good time in checking, we came with an interesting and important relationship between your blood type and coronavirus. Means in several studies, it was found that different blood types respond differently against the virus. What's the whole story? Watch and find out. So as we studied in biology, there are different blood types found in living organisms. If we talk particularly on humans, then there have been 35 identified blood types for us, but we mainly have 8 of them: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, O negative, O positive, and AB positive, AB negative. Means the huge population have one of these blood type in their body. But the question is how blood types are responding differently. So for the answer, we should revise the basics, that how blood types are different from each other. So your blood type is determined by the presence or absence of a specific antigen A and B on the surface of red blood cells and antibodies in the plasma. Apart from this, there is a protein which either present positive or absent negative called as Rh factor. So as a summary, if a blood cell is consist of antigen A and have B antibody, then the blood type is A. Either it is positive or negative, it depends on whether Rh factor, the protein, is present or absent respectively. If the person has B blood type, the situation would be vice versa. But if a person don't possess any antibody at all and has both A and B antigen, in that case the person has AB blood group. And just opposite to it, they don't have any antigen but have both the antibody in its blood, then the blood type they have is O. So hope you are revised. Now let's move to a point, how it can respond differently to the virus. So SARS-CoV-2 virus has a protein on its surface called RBD, receptor binding domain, which is the part that attaches to the host cells. This is important target for scientists trying to learn about the virus, and after many studies, it shows that this domain has a strong preference for binding to blood group A and least preference to blood type O. The reason behind this is the presence of anti-A antibody in people with blood group O may block the interaction between the virus and the receptor for angiotensin converting enzyme 2, ACE2. Found in cells, a mechanism for virus transmission. And just opposite to it, the presence of A antigen in A and AB blood group attracts the virus to make the interaction. Another factor that can play a role in this scenario is the high level of CRP in A blood type. CRP, also called as C-reactive protein, is a protein made by your liver. CRP level greater than or equal to 2 mg per liter can be a sign of high rate of inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of protecting your tissues if you have been injured or have an infection. So I know it is good to have, but its presence in a high rate can increase the load to our heart. Apart from all these biological theories, many countries like Spain, USA, Europe, Denmark, Italy carried out their own study on this topic, and if we make an average of all these studies, then as a result, type A blood has been found to be associated with having a 45% higher risk of getting the novel coronavirus. So that's all the theories and studies shows how this virus responds differently to different blood groups. But as a science student and as a friend, I will sincerely advise to you that do not lose at your protecting measures. Whether you have A blood type or O type, you should not face it lightly or be panicked, because life is most precious thing in the world, and in this pandemic many of our countrymen and people all over the world put an end to it. Therefore be aware and make your family aware too. So hope you find it informative. If yes, then please like and subscribe our channel. And if you find some fault, then make me aware true of this by posting a comment. Catch you later.